Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, a place to sell your used screen printing equipment, inkjet, and discuss topics. I've recently added a lot of user manuals and schematics, so you can do that as well. So I've done this before. It's the dreaded M&R Squeegee clamp removal, so you can replace them. And as you can see, this is one of the dirtiest places on the press. This is not even that dirty. This probably was the first station on an M&R Diamondback, the smallest edition they made. So what they do is there's a channel on the piston end, or piston rod end, that is flat, so you can get it in there. So if you can see it, and it's really hard when it's on the bar, so there you go. And the bolt is always filled with Loctite, so it even makes it harder. So you have to go underneath this, underneath the press. Sometimes I even take them off. I take them off right here, so I can work on it. Otherwise you're underneath the press and it's really hard. And if you don't do it with the Loctite, all you do is spin the cylinder rod and the piston at the same time, like that. You see that? So this one's caused me lots of headaches. So you have to slide it in, get it perfect. It doesn't want to go in ever. Oh, try doing that with the print. Well, nope. Try doing that with on the print head. Okay, so that's in. So let's see if we can. So now you can do it. Like before, it would just spin the rod. So it's a bit aggravating, and you could see there's Loctite on it, so you have to break it. Some people can't break it, and then they put heat on it. That's a no-no, because then you melt the O-rings. So I've loosened these to the point where you don't need that tool. So imagine working underneath the press backwards, trying to fix these on the dirtiest part of the machine. Not fun. And you have a lot more things going on as well, like hoses and stuff. So treat these things well. These have a tendency over time, and because of all the stress, for these legs to start going this way, and then your squeegee's starting to go like this a lot, and that's when you lose your pressure. So it's always good to have manual frame clamps. I don't have them here. So these are rebuildable. You can replace them. I have a video on how to do it. I'm looking for my, oh, 1 second, I'll find it. There we go. So I took a video on how to do it. You just take these like this. I don't have the right tool. You put it in the 2 holes and you twist left, and that will open everything up, and you can replace the seals. Hopefully you get the right kind, and there is a special lube that you put on the seals. So anyhow, that's the video. If you can do it better, let me know. This is a tricky one. Once you get it going, the process, it will speed up, but it's a lot of work and very aggravating. Thank you. Join and like my video. Bye.